In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to a folder by setting up filters to sort and organize your emails in Gmail more efficiently. So, let's dive right in and streamline your inbox. First, you want to start by opening Gmail on your computer. It's important to do this on a desktop or laptop because some features, like setting up filters, are not available on the mobile app. Once you've got Gmail open, look for the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings menu. Click on it and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to Gmail's main settings page. Next, navigate to the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section is where you'll set up the rules that automatically file your emails into specific folders, or as Gmail calls them, labels. Here, scroll down a bit and click the Create a New Filter link. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a pop-up screen with several fields that allow you to specify the criteria for sorting your emails. Enter the keywords, email addresses, or any other conditions that you want to capture. For instance, if you want all messages from a specific sender to bypass your inbox and go directly into a folder, you will input their email address here. Once you have your conditions set, click the Create Filter button. Now, you'll be prompted with a list of actions Gmail can take with emails matching your specified criteria. To automatically move these emails to a folder and keep your inbox tidy, check the box that says Skip the Inbox. Archive it. Then, check Apply the label. This is where you decide which folder these emails should go to. You can choose an existing folder from the drop-down menu, or if you haven't created one yet, you'll have the option to create a new label right here. Once you've ensured your selections are correct, click Create Filter once more. What happens now is truly time-saving. Any future emails that match your conditions will automatically skip the inbox and land in the folder you specified. This setup is especially helpful for managing frequent newsletters, notifications, or any category of emails that you wish to keep organized but don't necessarily need to see in your inbox immediately. And there you have it. Your inbox should now be a bit more orderly, with emails filed away neatly into the folders where they belong. By automating your email organization, you're freeing up more time to focus on what really matters. Be sure to check back often, as you might need to adjust these filters based on changing email patterns or preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!